So bro, still not playing.
Yeah, that's a hard ass beat.
She act like I need it, she act like I need. Won't beat her back down like I'm Muhammad Ali. And you know she want me, cause she know that I get free. And I just bought a new whip, yes I'm so without a key. What you need, I got Glocks, I got beans. I can be the man of your dream, take you overseas. Yeah, if a nigga play with you, then I'ma make her bleed. And I swear your ex ain't no shit, he don't get no cheese, yeah. Baby, I got what you need, yeah. How to do the dash on a pick up speed, yeah. Yeah, I know that nigga man, put him on a leash, yeah. Yeah, she say, boy, you red, I told that whole preach, yeah. Yeah, flat, there a nigga sneeze, yeah. I'ma wipe a nigga nose quicker than a breeze, yeah. Like a make a boy, get back, make him freeze, yeah. I can never cover hoe, never cover trees, yeah. When it's green, yeah, you know this what I need, yeah. Once you dive up in that water, you gon' drown up in that sea, yeah. Float like a butterfly and stings it like a bee, yeah. I'm not gon' play game with you, I'll give you what you need, yeah. Give you what you need, I promise I'ma do that. That's who you know, I'll shoot that. His pockets know we loot that, like we gon' need that. Know I had to read that, watch sure you gon' scream it. That can get your team wet, yeah. She act like I need it, she act like I need. Won't beat her back down like I'm Muhammad Ali. And you know she want me, cause she know that I get free. And I just bought a new whip, yes I'm so without a key. What you need, I got Glocks, I got beans. I can be the man of your dream, take you overseas, yeah. If a nigga play with you, then I'ma make her bleed. And I swear your ex ain't no shit, he don't get no cheese, yeah.
So bro, still not playing.
Yeah, that's a hard ass beat.
She act like I need it, she act like I need. Won't beat her back down like I'm Muhammad Ali. And you know she want me, cause she know that I get free. And I just bought a new whip, yes I'm so without a key. What you need, I got Glocks, I got beans. I can be the man of your dream, take you overseas, yeah. If a nigga play with you, then I'ma make her bleed. And I swear your ex ain't no shit, he don't get no cheese, yeah. Baby, I got what you need, yeah. How to do the dash on a pick up speed, yeah. Yeah, I know that nigga man, put him on a leash, yeah. Yeah, she say, boy, you red, I told that whole preach, yeah. Yeah, flat, there a nigga sneeze, yeah. I'ma wipe a nigga nose quicker than a breeze, yeah. Like a make a boy, get back, make him freeze, yeah. I can never cover hoe, never cover trees, yeah. When it's green, yeah, you know this what I need, yeah. Once you dive up in that water, you gon' drown up in that sea, yeah. Float like a butterfly and stings it like a bee, yeah. I'm not gon' play game with you, I'll give you what you need, yeah. Give you what you need, I promise I'ma do that. That's who you know, I'll shoot that. His pockets know we loot that, like we gon' need that. Know I had to read that, watch sure you gon' scream it. That can get your team wet, yeah. She act like I need it, she act like I need. Won't beat her back down like I'm Muhammad Ali. And you know she want me, cause she know that I get free. And I just bought a new whip, yes I'm so without a key. What you need, I got Glocks, I got beans. I can be the man of your dream, take you overseas, yeah. If a nigga play with you, then I'ma make her bleed. And I swear your ex ain't no shit, he don't get no cheese, yeah.
I know I went relatively fast in this video, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to hit me in the comment section and let me know what's up. Also, on that note, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the motherfucking channel, bro. I'm giving y'all free game. I'm like no other YouTuber. I'm like no other man. I'm the man, the myth, the legend himself. But back on topic, to wrap up this video, for the calibration sequence, you will need to use either Repair Cal or AST2 diagnostics. Those are both two programs that Apple uses, and they're absolutely necessary. in order to get the functionality of your home button and or your proximity sensor / Face ID to work with your new screen onto your phone. And basically what you have to do is just download the programs and then just stick your phone into the charger and then hook it up to a computer, and then you're pretty much good to go from there. It's fairly simple, just like this repair, right? And just like life in general. You know what I'm saying? You work hard towards the things that you want to achieve, and you will eventually achieve them. It's simple but hard. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate each and every last one of you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel and doing all the things that y'all do. Keep showing love and peace.
So bro, still not playing.
Yeah, that's a hard ass beat.